All goods coming into a warehouse begin with a purchase order. A purchase order is a legally binding document which details a contractual agreement between a buyer and a seller.
And it is important for purchasing to have clear objectives, such as ensure products are available to support the operations of the business,
ensure that the business receives the right quality and quantity of suppliers to meet the demands identified. Purchasing must ensure that there are procurement policies in place to provide governance on how a company vets and chooses their supplier.
Purchasing have a responsibility to contribute to cash flow improvements, which then affect the company's profitability.
Another goal of purchasing is to build long-standing relationships, certainly with their strategic suppliers.
Purchasing also needs to implement supply standardization.
And of course, very importantly, purchasing needs to manage supplier performance using regular reviews on price agreements, contracts, delivery performance, and quality test results.
The purchasing cycle starts when a business requisition is received and analysed. A request for quotation, an RFQ, will then be sent out to a number of select suppliers.
Those RFQs will be returned back for the purchasing department, who will assess and decide on the selected supplier based on said criteria.
Purchasing will then place a purchase order with the supplier. On receipt of the purchase order, the selected supplier will send out the goods and raise an invoice. After the goods have been received, they will be checked against the purchase order, and the last step involves purchasing paying the invoice.
Documents used in this process include purchase requisitions, RFQ, purchase orders, goods received vouchers or notes, and invoices. Before payment can be made, we must ensure that what was ordered is received in full. This is where the three-way match comes in.
Meaning, if PO equals GRV equals invoice, then we pay the supplier.
As we've mentioned already, purchasing locally or globally is an important decision to make, and the various considerations and advantages and disadvantages are discussed in your practitioner's guide.
As can be seen, purchasing and procurement are very important to the supply chain, with every decision affecting the business and all the departments within it.
And receiving and purchasing need to work together to make sure that what is ordered is received and paid for.